Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius on your Amazon device here. This is an Echo, but it will work on all different Amazon devices. So right now, if I was to ask the temperature, Alexa, what's the temperature in Northampton?
At the moment, in Northampton, England, it's 18 degrees Celsius.
So
Tonight, you can expect a low of 6 degrees.
So you can see at the moment it's in Celsius. You might want it in Fahrenheit. Very easy to change. So we need to go into the app. So I'm going into the Amazon Alexa app here. And you need to find your device. So we're going to go to this little icon just here on the left, bottom left, and it brings up all the different devices. I know that this one is Second Echo here. You can have a look at the symbols, and the symbols will tell you what device you're working on. So I'm going to go into that one, and I need to go into the settings, which is this little icon just here. And under settings, work your way down until you see measurement units, this one here. So tap that, and then you have an option to change it to Fahrenheit. And that is it. So now if we ask the same question, Alexa, what temperature is it in Northampton?
At the moment, in Northampton, England, it's 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, you can expect a low of 44 degrees.
There you go. So you can see it's now in Fahrenheit. Obviously, if you want to change it back to Celsius, you do the same thing, but you tap Celsius instead of Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching.